Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need an iPhone running iOS 17 and at least 20% charge, so plug into a MagSafe charger or a landscape stand. Open Settings and go straight to Standby, toggle it on. Once done, choose Clock, Photos, or Smart Stack as your default view. Make sure Focus Settings allow Standby to display, otherwise notifications won't show. If you want always-on behavior on compatible devices, confirm display settings permit always-on. Now place the phone in landscape to trigger standby. You now customize what appears when standby activates. Tap Customize on the standby screen and pick a clock style, then add widgets like calendar, home, or weather. Drag to reorder for priority info. Once widgets are placed, adjust their sizes and content sources so the data stays relevant. Make sure notification previews are configured in Focus so you see needed alerts, otherwise only minimal badges appear. After arranging, lock layout and test by briefly tapping the screen to confirm widgets update correctly. Finish by testing standby with live activity. Set a timer, receive a call, and observe notifications while docked in landscape. If content looks dim, increase brightness or change the sleep timer. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus exclusions aren't hiding alerts. If standby doesn't activate, restart your iPhone, install any iOS updates, and toggle standby off and on. If problems persist, reset standby layout in settings. This clears custom widgets, but usually restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.